Hey, learn to live in your present. You have to learn to live in your present. Because I know when you are busy doing something, you focus on your present. But the problem is, when you have free time, you either get lost in your past or you start thinking about your future. And that's not fair. You have to learn to live in your present. Come on, just for a moment, forget about past. Don't think about future and focus on your present. Just look around. What's happening around you? If it's happy moment, enjoy it. Connect with people. Embrace the beauty of nature. Have some exercise. Cook some nice food. Focus on your present.